Tender tea shoots begin their journey under carefully controlled nursery conditions.
Moisture level looks perfect today.
Highland soils and cool mornings shape the leaves' distinctive character.
Block A is holding steady.
Shade trees protect young tea plants from harsh afternoon sunlight. Coverage is right where we need it.
Terraced fields control erosion while maximizing valuable mountain growing space. The lower channel is clear now. Efficient irrigation delivers moisture directly to every plant's root system.
Pressure is balanced across this row.
Healthy acidic soils support strong roots and flavorful tea growth.
The organic matter looks excellent.
One bud and 2 leaves create the finest premium teas.
This is exactly the growth we want.
Rainwater reveals the smooth surfaces and delicate veins of tea.
No damage on this section. Seasonal flushes produce distinct aromas, colors, and flavor characteristics naturally.
The second flush is developing evenly.
Young shoots remain softer, brighter, and richer in aromatic compounds. Select only the tender tips.
Mountain breezes strengthen tea plants while reducing excess surface moisture.
The shoots are handling it well. Experienced hands identify the precise moment when shoots are harvest ready.
This block is ready to pick.
Traditional hand plucking protects quality by selecting only tender shoots.
Keep the stems short.
Skilled pickers maintain steady rhythms without damaging supporting leaves below.
Leave the lower leaves for regrowth. Keep the leaves loose for airflow.
Modern harvesters increase efficiency while experienced workers control cutting height.
Raise it 1/2 inch.
Immediate field sorting removes coarse leaves before quality can decline.
This is the standard we keep.
Ventilated crates preserve freshness before leaves begin their factory journey.
These crates are ready for pickup.
Freshly picked leaves enter shaded collection stations within minutes of harvest.
Send Block C to Lane 2.
Veteran sorters remove coarse stems before the leaves leave farms.
Keep this batch clean and uniform.
Every crate is weighed and linked to its harvest location.
42.6 pounds, Block C 17.
Shaded staging protects delicate leaves from heat before transportation begins.
Airflow is clear on both sides.
Final field inspection confirms cleanliness, tenderness, and proper leaf condition.
This lot is approved for transport.
Pre-cooled trucks slow leaf deterioration during the journey to processing.
Cargo space is ready for loading.
Hydraulic liftgates move ventilated crates without tipping or compressing leaves.
Clear to raise the platform.
Careful spacing allows conditioned air to circulate around every crate.
Leave the center aisle open.
Temperature loggers verify that leaves remain cool throughout transportation safely.
Temperature logging is active.
Seal number matches the shipping record.
Sealed cargo doors protect traceability and maintain stable transport conditions.
Gentle driving minimizes bruising as fresh leaves leave the plantation. Road conditions are clear ahead.
Stable suspension protects tender leaves from damaging vibration during highway travel.
Advance arrival notices prepare receiving crews before fresh leaves arrive. Receiving has our arrival notice. Security verifies seals, documents, and delivery assignments before facility entry.
Proceeding to Dock 3 now.
Inbound weighing documents total cargo mass before fresh leaves are unloaded.
Weight recorded. Proceed to receiving.
Dock teams align each vehicle carefully before opening temperature-controlled cargo.
Hold there, alignment is good.
Receiving inspectors confirm seal integrity before opening every leaf shipment.
Temperature and seal are acceptable.
Inspectors measure leaf temperature before unloading begins at the receiving dock.
This load is within specification. Freshness, aroma, and appearance determine whether incoming leaves enter production.
Release this shipment to initial processing.
approved leaves move directly from receiving into the dry cleaning system.
Keep the feed layer even.
Air separation removes lightweight debris without wetting delicate fresh leaves.
Airflow is holding at specification.
Vibrating screens separate oversized stems before controlled withering begins today.
Movement is smooth across every section.
Experienced inspectors catch imperfections that automated systems may occasionally miss.
The remaining material looks clean.
Food-safe magnets protect equipment by capturing stray metallic contamination early.
Safety verification is complete.
Fresh leaves spread evenly to begin slow moisture reduction naturally.
Maintain 4 inches across the bed.
Withering troughs balance airflow across every layer of incoming leaves.
The bed is uniform from end to end.
Sensors continuously adjust temperature, humidity, and fan speed during withering.
Humidity compensation is active.
Gradual moisture loss softens leaves and concentrates their aromatic compounds.
The leaf is settling evenly.
Veteran workers confirm withering by touch, flexibility, and fresh aroma.
This batch is ready for rolling.
Withered leaves enter metered feeders for consistent primary processing flow. Downstream flow is balanced. Rotor vane pressure twists softened leaves and releases valuable internal juices. Pressure is producing a clean, even twist. First-stage rollers crush and tear leaves into uniform granular particles.
Stage 1 texture looks consistent.
Successive CTC passes increase surface area for rapid flavor development.
Granule formation is even across the line.
Precise roller gaps determine particle size, extraction strength, and consistency.
Particle size is back on target.
Processed leaf particles travel immediately toward controlled oxidation chambers nearby.
The leaf is moving without delay.
Oxygen transforms green leaf compounds into deep, coppery tea aromas.
The copper color is developing evenly.
Automated beds regulate depth, temperature, humidity, and oxidation time precisely.
Bed depth remains consistent throughout.
Color and aroma reveal when oxidation has reached its ideal endpoint.
The aroma and color have reached an endpoint.
Conveyors transfer oxidized particles directly into high-capacity drying equipment next. Dryer conditions are stable and ready. Hot air rapidly stops oxidation while preserving developed flavor compounds. Zone 1 airflow is balanced. Controlled airflow removes moisture evenly without scorching delicate tea particles. Exhaust moisture is dropping steadily. Multiple drying zones gradually reduce moisture to safe storage levels. Final moisture is approaching target. Operators balance belt speed and temperature for consistent final dryness. Texture is crisp without scorching. Cooling stabilizes dried tea before grading and protects fragile particles.
Spread it evenly before cooling.
Vibrating coolers lower product temperature using clean filtered air streams. Filter pressure remains normal. Moisture is safely within specification. Moisture testing confirms each batch meets precise production specifications safely. Magnetic checks remove metallic fragments before tea enters grading equipment.
Final magnetic verification is complete.
Sieves separate tea particles by size for predictable brewing performance. Each deck is separating cleanly. Air classification removes lightweight fiber from valuable tea granules efficiently. The heavy fraction is separating properly. Precision grading creates uniform tea categories for different finished products. Grade boundaries are clearly defined.
Optical sorters identify color defects invisible during rapid manual inspection.
The sorter is removing off-color material accurately.
Veteran inspectors verify automated sorting with practiced eyes and hands.
Automated sorting is holding the grade well.
Sample brewing reveals strength, color, aroma, and extraction consistency quickly.
Extraction is even across the samples.
Tea tasters compare every production lot against established flavor standards.
This lot matches our flavor standard. Proved grades enter sealed bins before the blending process begins.
Grade PF is sealed and recorded.
Computerized feeders combine measured tea grades into consistent recipes accurately. All feeder weights match the recipe. Gentle ribbon blenders distribute particles evenly without crushing them further.
The blend is distributing evenly.
Inline samplers confirm blended tea remains uniform throughout each batch.
Distribution looks uniform throughout the batch. Finished tea rests briefly before final quality refinement and testing.
Temperature 72 degrees Fahrenheit and humidity.
This blend is ready for final testing.
Final sifters remove remaining fines before tea enters quality control.
Fine removal is within target.
Controlled dedusting improves cleanliness and protects delicate finished tea particles. Dust collection is stable and clean. Blended tea passes one final metal detection checkpoint before release.
All 3 sensitivity checks passed. Gentle polishing removes loose dust without changing tea particle structure.
Particle shape remains intact.
Finished tea enters sealed holding bins while awaiting final quality approval.
No product moves without laboratory release.
Inspectors carefully compare particle size, color, and cleanliness against standards. Appearance matches the approved standard.
Uniform appearance ensures predictable brewing performance across every production batch.
Uniformity supports predictable extraction.
Experienced workers identify pale stalks and remove them manually quickly.
Only isolated stalks remain in this sample.
Magnified inspection reveals tiny defects hidden among dark tea particles.
No structural defects are present.
Quality teams verify aroma remains fresh, clean, and fully developed.
The aroma is clean and balanced.
This lot remains consistent with production history. Reference samples help inspectors maintain consistent grades across production days. Particle density testing predicts how tea moves through packaging equipment. Flow characteristics support stable packaging. Screen analysis confirms each grade stays within required size limits.
The particle distribution meets specification.
The sample is free from external contamination. Foreign material checks protect consumers and preserve trusted product quality standards. The cup is bright, balanced, and clean.
Approved sensory results move finished tea toward detailed laboratory verification.
Laboratory technicians measure moisture to confirm long-term product stability safely.
The batch is stable for sealed storage.
Water activity testing estimates microbial stability during sealed product storage. Water activity remains safely controlled.
Color values match the approved profile. Spectrophotometers verify brewed color consistency across every approved batch sample. Microbiological screening confirms finished tea meets strict food safety requirements.
Microbiological results meet food safety requirements. Release this batch to packaging. Final laboratory approval releases tea for packaging and distribution operations.
Released tea moves through sealed lines toward final packaging preparation.
The released batch is entering packaging preparation.
Final conditioning equalizes temperature before precision tea bag filling begins safely.
Temperature is equalized across the hopper. Hopper agitation maintains uniform flow without crushing delicate tea particles.
The particles are feeding without damage. Production teams verify recipes, materials, and sanitation before packaging starts.
All materials match the approved packaging order.
Calibrated feeders deliver consistent tea portions to every packaging lane. All test portions meet target weight. Food-grade filter paper unwinds smoothly into automated bag-forming equipment continuously. Paper tracking is centered and stable. Precision formers shape porous paper around carefully measured tea portions.
The paper is forming clean, centered pockets.
High-speed scales verify every tea bag receives the correct weight. Production weights remain tightly controlled.
Automated dispensers place uniform tea portions without spilling valuable product.
Every lane is dosing evenly.
Heat-sealing jaws create clean bag edges while preserving paper porosity. Seal strength is clean and uniform.
Strings and tags attach precisely to each individual tea bag.
Tag placement and string length are correct.
Vision systems inspect bag shape, seals, tags, and fill placement.
Inspection cameras are rejecting defects correctly.
Sealed tea bags move toward envelope wrapping for freshness protection.
The tea bag is centered inside the envelope.
Moisture barrier envelopes protect aroma throughout storage and transportation periods reliably.
The moisture barrier is fully sealed.
Printed wrappers receive accurate lot codes and expiration information automatically.
Lot and date information are accurate.
Cameras verify every printed code remains readable and correctly positioned. Every production code is readable and aligned.
Automatic counters group wrapped tea bags into exact carton quantities.
Each carton receives exactly 20 envelopes.
Carton sealers close packages securely while preserving clean retail presentation.
The carton is square and securely closed.
This case is linked to the complete batch record. Finished cartons receive labels linking products to complete production records.
Robotic palletizers stack cartons safely for warehouse transfer and shipping. The pallet pattern is stable and square.
Completed pallet layers receive protective wrapping for secure warehouse handling. Wrapping pressure is stable across the load.
Corner boards and straps stabilize cases throughout storage and transportation.
The load is secure without carton pressure.
Final pallet labels connect every shipping case to production records.
Every case is linked to this pallet.
Automated scanners confirm pallet identity, weight, and destination before release.
The pallet is verified for warehouse release.
Transfer route is clear to storage.
Released pallets move from packaging into the finished goods warehouse safely.
Warehouse systems assign each pallet a precise temperature-controlled storage location. Storage location 7 Fortin is confirmed.
Clearance is good on both sides.
High bay racking maximizes space while preserving safe product access routes.
Inventory software tracks every pallet's location, age, and shipment status.
Inventory location is visible and recorded.
Climate monitoring protects packaged tea from heat, moisture, and odors. Warehouse conditions remain stable and dry. First in, first out rotation keeps older finished products moving toward shipment.
The oldest approved lot ships first.
Warehouse inspectors examine cases for damage before orders are assembled.
Cases are dry, sealed, and shipment ready. Order pickers combine exact product quantities for customer shipments nationwide. All required quantities are complete.
Shipping teams verify orders, routes, and documentation before trailer loading. Documentation and pallet counts match.
Clean trailers receive sanitation checks before finished tea is loaded.
The trailer is clean, dry, and odor-free.
Forklift operators position wrapped pallets according to the loading plan. Set the pallet against the forward marker. Load bars and straps prevent pallet movement during long-distance transportation.
Every pallet is restrained without carton damage.
Shipping seals protect cargo integrity until the destination receives delivery. Seal number is recorded for delivery.
Distribution trucks carry packaged tea toward regional warehouses and retailers. Arrival remains within the scheduled window.
Retail distribution centers receive, scan, and route tea cartons efficiently.
Route this tea to retail inventory.
The new tea shipment is ready. Packaged tea finally reaches stores, ready for consumers to enjoy.